Hello and welcome. In this video, I will explain to you how to build a FM radio receiver using GNU Radio and RTL SDR dongle. So here I already have the scheme of the GNU radio, and if I run this scheme will generate a Python script. Here, this is the generated script. So there's two ways to run the program. First is just click this, and the second is run the script. So let's try to run the Python script. I will deactivate my conda files and run the script. Here you can search the FM radio station using the slider. There's so many noise. This is good. So that is our FM radio receiver. Now I will explain to you about the block in this program. So there is three important block. First is RTL SDR source. Second is the GUI, and the third is audio sync that will be outputted the sound we can hear. The GUI here is the controller that we can use to search the FM radio station we want to hear. I will explain first in the RTL SDR source. Here in this block have many parameters, but I want to concern in these two parameters, sample rate and frequency. Sample rate here is I set as 2 million, and the frequency here I set as 100 million. So sample rate is like the coverage frequency, and the frequency here is the center frequency. So our RTL SDR source here we will get the frequency from 90 million to 110 million at the default. And the second block is rational resampler. Rational resampler here is to make our computer work easier. It will drop some sample. Here I set decimation as 5 and interpolation as 1. Decimation as 5, it will be like at the default the frequency we will process is like 90 million 1, 90 million 2, 90 million 3, and so on until 110 million. But with decimation 5, it will be like 90 million 5, 90 million 10, 90 million 15, 90 million 20, and so on. So the next is low pass filter. Low pass filter here is to eliminate some noise. Noise is it's always the high frequency one, so we will cut off it. Here I cut off it from 100,000, and the transition width is 10,000. And the next is WBFM receive. Here I set the quadrature rate as 400,000. Why? Because at the original our sample rate is 2 million, but we already processed it in the rational sample using decimation 5, so the sample will be like this value. Okay, next from this block it will be outputted to this, but AudioSync want this frequency, so we must transform this value to this. How? Yeah, using rational resampler. Decimation as the dividing operation and interpolation as the multiply operation, so we will get this value. And that's it. That is our FM radio receiver work. Hope you enjoy it. Bye.